Okay, so now it has been, it's drier, and we start with the light color, of course. So we start with white here in the middle, and it's hard to see this, of course, but trust me, it's white. And I use this Caran d'Ache colors that I really enjoy. And then the bright colors. So we start with yellow. So we have just a little bit of yellow in this side, in this line. And then we will have lots of yellow in the next two. And we're actually gonna paint the borders, so you don't need to be super like careful about the